Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to insert a link in a rich text module in HubSpot. This is essential for creating interactive content on your website pages, whether you're linking to external resources, other pages on your site, or downloadable files. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. If you already have an account, click the login button on the right-hand side of the page. If you're new to HubSpot, you can click Get Free HubSpot CRM to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard where you can access all your tools and content. Next, look at the left side menu and hover your mouse over the option labeled Content. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several choices. From this expanded menu, locate and click on Website Pages. This will take you to a list of all the pages you've created in HubSpot. Now browse through your website pages and find the specific page where you want to insert your rich text link. Click on that page to open it in the editor. This is where you'll be able to make all your content changes and additions. Once you're in the page editor, navigate around the page to find the exact spot where you want to place your link. On the left side panel, you'll see a plus button labeled Add. Click on this button and under the text submenu, look for the rich text option. Simply drag this rich text module to the desired location on your web page. This module is what allows you to add formatted text and links to your page. After placing the rich text module, click on it to activate the editing options. You'll see all the editing tools appear on your left side panel. Look for the link icon among these options and click it. This opens up the link insertion dialog. In the link text field, type in the name you want to display for your link. Then from the drop-down menu, choose what type of link you're creating. You can select a URL, an anchor, an email address, a file, a meeting, or one of your existing pages. After making your selection, insert the actual URL or destination you want this link to redirect to. There's also a toggle option that lets you choose whether the link opens in a new browser tab, which is helpful for keeping visitors on your site while they explore external resources. Once you've configured everything, click Insert. You'll immediately see your link name appear highlighted in blue within the rich text module. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Save to apply your changes to the page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.